like the conference a lot. It's an amazing group of people coming together, sharing their experiences, and it's amazing to be part of that. Well, actually what I just mentioned, that group is actually coming together to share those experiences. I think that's the most interesting of what's going on to me. I can highlight some of the particular talks, but I don't think that will be good for the other people that are actually joining. I think everybody's doing something extra here. Thanks. Big data is being used actually everywhere within my company, obviously. We're a bank, so in a lot of places we apply it, or we would like to apply it to either improve customer services or do fraud detection, risk modeling. It's part of our daily life, I guess. That's difficult to say, I guess. Let's say if you look at it from a risk perspective, you would like to reduce risk and make sure that those things do not end up on our balance sheet, or we can actually reduce that. On the upside is obviously that we can serve our customers better. And to me personally, that's the best thing. I mean, I'd rather have you smiling than our balance sheet that it's better in this case. But that's a personal opinion. Also a difficult question again. Obviously I'd like to have more, but I do think there's enough people that move the field or move the needle at the moment. If there's more smart people around doing these kind of things, obviously I would love to have more. I mean, this is why I'm here, to learn from all those people. Yes, if there's 1,000, that would maybe even be better, although sometimes the intimacy part is also important. It's hard to look into the future, as always. Will there be? I think big data is definitely driven by a lot of open source efforts. You'll see an ecosystem of companies around that do a particular thing or support a particular product in that area. So I do think that the ecosystem itself will be mostly based in the core around open source, and I think then some particular specific items will be done by companies. Again, it's very hard to look into the future, and I would say that's expressing a personal opinion here, and it's also a very broad question. I think as humanity, hopefully we can either improve things like medicine, or improve customer services, or make sure that we might solve poverty and even famine in a way. I think those possibilities do exist. And hopefully we execute on those as well. And within the company I work for, which is a bank, we try to do that little bit on our side, and hopefully as a humanity we'll do that together. So I'm definitely on the positive side of what's possible, but you can look at it on both sides obviously.